Welcome back to Agenty video tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add the agent data result to Google Spreadsheet via Zapier. In order to get started, let's create an example agent first on Agenty Cloud Platform. Simply go to the website URL. Open the Agenty Chrome extension. And then, add all the fields you want. Once you are done with adding the fields you want, save the agent on your account. Now we have an agent working perfectly fine and showing the expected result. The next step is we want to add this extracted result to our Google spreadsheet, always when the agent is executed, so we'd need a Zapier account. Zapier is an amazing integration tool and free for limited use. You can create your account if not already. Click on Make a Zap button. And search for Webhook by Zapier Trigger. Then just follow the steps. Here we need to enter the name of array which has the result rows in the HTTP post. So if we look on the Agenty API documentation, its name is result. So just type result here. And move to next step. Now the webhook is ready for testing. Let's add this to Agenty to run a test. Click on the Add Trigger button. Then select the webhook trigger. Here select the agent you want to add the webhook with. And then paste the webhook URL on its box. Now, leave the other settings as is by default, we will look on them later on advanced video tutorials. Hit the save button and we are done. Now go back to agent page and run the agent to test our new webhook trigger. As the job is completed, come back to Zapier and click on Next button. Now, we have our trigger ready in Zapier. We can create an action needs to be performed when the trigger is fired. Search for Google Sheet action. Since we wants to add rows to spreadsheet, so choose the Create Row option. Now connect your Google account to Zapier. Hit Continue to go to next step. Here it will ask you to provide the details of spreadsheet, so let's create a spreadsheet first on Google Docs. Now, we need to add the field header as well, to tell Zapier which field value should go to which one fields on spreadsheet. And then we will map those fields on Zapier. Now, come back to Zapier and select the sheet. You may click on the refresh button if you don't see your sheet in drop down here. Once the sheet name and worksheet is selected, Zapier will display the fields from your sheet. Now we can map these fields with our webhook fields, which was catched by Zapier when we ran a test job. So, it's important to run a test job after webhook is ready. Hit continue to see next step. And you will see that the Zap is ready to test. Run a test to see this data is sent to our spreadsheet. And we are done. Our webhook is ready, which will capture the data from Agenty and will add to Google Spreadsheet. So, let's remove this test row. And finish our Zap by enabling it and giving it a name. Now go back to Agenty site. And run the agent to confirm the entire agent result is added to spreadsheet. Now the job is completed. Let's check our spreadsheet. Here you go, all 30 records has been added to our Google spreadsheet. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos tutorials to learn more about Agenty tool, automation, and API.